Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be doing my first ever Ipsy bag unbagging. So I got an email today saying that this had shipped, and by the time I got home it was already delivered, so that's pretty exciting. And of course I love this pink packaging, so cute. So I guess I'll just cut into this. So I have to be honest, I never planned to subscribe to Ipsy, but the way that this happened is that I actually won a giveaway where I won like a 3-month subscription to Ipsy, and this was months and months ago. And when I found out, I was so excited. I gave my address and thought that was all that was going to be needed in order to start receiving my 3-month subscriptions. But so then a long time passed and I never received anything, and I kind of was like, whatever, it's probably never going to happen. But then the person who held the giveaway reached out and said that Ipsy needed me to fill out my profile, which makes sense because when you subscribe to a bag, you fill in like your hair color, your eye color, different things about yourself. So I created my account, sent my account information back, and waited a long time again. And then the person who did the giveaway reached out again saying that I needed to actually sign up for a subscription and put in a credit card, but that my credit card wouldn't be charged and I would just get a 3-month credit to my account. So I was like, all right, I guess I'll sign up with my credit card, and I did, and of course my credit card got charged, and that's how I received this bag this month. And I mean, I am excited about it, so I wanted to create this video of my unbagging. But all in all, it's been a pretty bad experience with Ipsy, and I've been pretty let down, so hopefully I'm not going to be let down with the contents in here. But I was never supposed to get charged. I got charged. I don't know if I'm ever going to get those free months that I won. Because of this experience, I'm just going to cancel it after this month because I don't really want to be dealing with this company since they've been so difficult and kind of dishonest in my opinion. But if I do get 3 months free, then that's great because I love to be able to feature the products on my channel with my reviews of trying to make a product every day. But that's my story about getting this Ipsy bag right here. But so let's see what I got. So I think this is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Increased hydration, dermatologically tested. But so this is like maybe like a cream or something, but this I think is a bonus free gift that I got for signing up when I signed up. And then this is a cute bag. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting based off of the picture, but it's cute. I don't have any bags that even look like this. I have lots of pink sparkly bags, but no blue bags that I can think of. Okay, so let's pull out the first thing. So this here is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. That's cool. I've never heard of that brand. And this is Cosmic Light Multifunctional Pigments. This seems interesting. It sounds like a pigmented eyeshadow. I'm going to use this in a future video, so I'm not even going to open it from the box, so I really don't know what it's going to look like. Okay, the next product. Oh, this is from Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Ooh. Oh yeah, so I actually have already reviewed this on my channel, and I really like it. So if you want to see my review on this, I will link it down below. The next thing, oh cute, I didn't even notice it's pink inside, so I like that touch. Oh, what have we got here? This tiny little jar of Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Wow, this is the tiniest little translucent powder ever, and I've received some very tiny samples of translucent powder, but This is another brand that I've never tried, so I'm excited to try this out. I've actually been really into like trying out translucent powders lately, and I found a lot of great ones so far, so we'll see if I end up liking this. Okay, so this is the Marc Anthony Bye Bye Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. This looks nice. I have naturally curly, frizzy hair when I'm not curling it, which I always am, but this will be really helpful for my natural hair texture. And lastly, oh, this is the Balm Bonnie Dew Manizer. Liquid Bonnie Luminizer. It's a liquid highlighter and all over illuminator. This is great. I've never tried out anything from the Balm either. So very excited that I have new brands to try. So I can see why doing this monthly subscription bag is so exciting, because I would get to try out so many new things, and I love, love, love trying out new makeup. If you follow my channel, you know that about me. So very excited to try out these 3 products in my upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see these as I post them every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you've ever done an Ipsy bag subscription, I'd love to know your thoughts on it down below. I'm really looking forward to watching everyone else's videos of their unbaggings, so I'm excited to be able to be a part of that now, because I would always just watch it and be like, wow, that's so fun. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.